Hi, everyone. This is Mrs. Vialba. I'm a youth development specialist with the Youth Service Bureau and PHM. And this week I'm bringing you your SEL lesson on empathy. So last week you guys talked about feelings and how to identify feelings, how you're feeling. Are you happy, sad, annoyed, sick, angry? Can you think about how you are feeling today? Again, looking at our chart, do you feel funny, excited, annoyed, quiet? Hopefully you feel at least happy. Well, today we're going to talk about trying to understand how someone else feels. This is called empathy. Empathy is about social awareness and connections and having connections with other people. But wait, why is it important to learn or to know about empathy? Well, having empathy can help understand other people's feelings and what they might be going through. This helps us make friends, and really it shows others that we care. We're going to watch a short video about empathy and understanding the feelings of another person.
No, Moby, this isn't a gift for you. I made it for Tasha. She's feeling sad right now. So I wanted to show empathy and help cheer her up. Empathy is understanding the feelings of another person. Being aware of your own feelings can help you understand other people's feelings. Good question, Moby. How can you be aware of your own feelings? When you're going through a strong emotion or feeling, think about how your body acts. Well, when I'm happy or excited, I smile and laugh. Sometimes I even bounce a little or do a dance. When I'm angry, my face turns red and I talk louder and faster. I make fists with my hands. When I'm sad, I cry and my chest feels heavy. I just want to be left alone for a little while. Since I know how I show different emotions, I can recognize the signs in other people. I can look at someone's face and body and think about the problem they might be facing. I can understand how they feel because I've felt the same way too. That's empathy. When you notice someone who is hurt, sad, or just having a hard time, imagine switching places with them. How would you feel? What can you say or do to show that you understand and care about their feelings? Think about what makes you feel better when you're upset. Maybe you can do or say the same things to help someone feel better. How can you show empathy? One way to show empathy is to be a good listener. When you see someone going through a strong emotion, you can ask if they'd like to talk about it. If they share, pay attention and listen carefully. Look into their eyes. Nod your head when you agree. And don't interrupt. When it's your turn to talk, focus on them and say kind and encouraging things. Think about what people have said to make you feel better in the past and share them. Sometimes people might not feel like talking, and that's okay. You can show support just by being there and being a good friend. Tell them that you'll listen whenever they're ready. Compassion is kindness, caring, and wanting to help someone in need. Empathy is about understanding how someone feels, and compassion is about helping them feel better. When you see someone going through strong emotions, think about how you can help. Be a good friend by showing compassion. Do something to help them feel better, like giving a compliment or kind words. Compliments can be encouraging and help people feel better. If you see someone feeling frustrated with a problem, you can offer your thoughts and work together to solve it. If you see someone feeling lonely and left out, you can invite them to do something fun. Tasha is feeling sad, so I made her a little gift to help cheer her up. We all know what it's like to feel sad, angry, lonely, or hurt. So we should show empathy and compassion for people who are going through uncomfortable feelings. Think about what would make you feel better if you were them. Try to put yourself in their shoes. No, Moby, you don't actually wear their shoes. Wait, are those my shoes?
So again, empathy is understanding the feelings of another person. Think about the video and what they said. How can we understand other people's feelings? Well, first we can be aware of our own feelings and know how our body reacts. And then we can kind of switch shoes with that other person, switch places with them. Can you remember a time when you felt empathy for someone? Again, clues to know how another person feels. You can look at their facial expressions. You can listen to the tone of their voice. What does the other person do? Are they crying? Are they laughing? And think if you've ever been in that same spot and felt those feelings and emotions. Today, we're going to end with how can you show someone empathy? We know what it means now. And what is one way you can practice showing empathy? You can be a good listener. You can say encouraging things. You can get to know your classmates better. Use your imagination. Most importantly, show that you care. Thanks for listening and have a great week.